Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching this video. This is a special series on SAP Business Technology Platform where we are trying to explore what should be our key focus areas for 2024. So this is episode 1, which is series introduction, where I'll tell you more about the series, why this series is important, then who is this for, what would be our approach in exploring BTP services and products. Then we'll see what are the plans for upcoming episodes, where you can watch it, and most importantly, how you can be part of it. So let's get started. So, what's the motivation behind this series? Probably the technology stack, because it is changing very rapidly. We have seen in 2023 how Gen AI affected almost everything, disrupted each and every industry, and we have seen how SAP BTP has evolved during these past few months. We've seen new services being added, new products being introduced, and most importantly, some of the products being rebranded. So there is so much information everywhere, like online. People are going and seeing all these things. They get confused. So to give them right platform, to give them the right information, probably I thought this series would be kind of important to many of us, and especially to those who are struggling to find out what's happening in the BTP world. So, talking about the approach, it's a very simple approach. We'll first see how SAP BTP has evolved, what were the tech announcements, so what's coming next, we can see that. We'll go deeper into all the pillars of SAP BTP. So, there are 5 pillars: application development, automation, data and analytics, integration, and AI. We'll go deeper into all of these. We'll see few of the services or products which fall under these categories. And then we'll see the decade announcements, the respective decade announcements, and which will help us find out where we should focus our time and energy in 2024. In terms of episodes, as you already know, this is the first episode, the series introduction, and you're being introduced to the series structure and the approach which we are trying to finalize for this particular series. You'll also get to know the upcoming episodes and how you can be part of it. So stay tuned. Let's go to the next episode. So after the series introduction, we'll have SAP BTP Basics as the episode, where we'll try to cover few of the basic concepts of SAP BTP. We'll try to understand it, and then we'll try to see, as per TechEd 2023, what should be the areas where we should be looking for in 2024. So after we have covered the basics of SAP Business Technology Platform, we'll have 5 episodes completely focused on each of the SAP BTP pillars. So application development, automation, data and analytics, AI, and integration. In all these 5 episodes, we'll see the respective portfolios. We'll discuss a little bit more about few of the products and services, and we will try to speak to some of the experts as well in these areas. And finally, we'll recommend few of these application services which we use on SAP BTP for 2024, based on the TechEd announcements and our experience into this field. We'll end this series with a wrap up episode where we'll quickly wrap up all the episodes which we have done, all the recommendations which we have given, and lastly, if you have any concerns, probably we can address that. So, how can you record your concerns? I'll come to it later, but these are the upcoming episodes. So, just to summarize the upcoming episodes, after this series introduction, we'll have SAP BTP basics. Then we'll deep dive into all the pillars: application development, automation, data analytics, artificial intelligence, integration, and then we'll wrap up the series. So you can watch all these episodes, this particular series, and all other videos which I post on YouTube. The handle is Modish Tech Digital. That's it in the series introduction episode. Do let me know your comments or feedback and any suggestions to improve the content on this channel. If you would like to get notified when the videos are uploaded, please subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next episode.